Good evening, everyone. This is Linda, and yes, you see where I'm at. I'm in my garden, y'all, and I have been out here working a lot today. Today is Monday, so I'm about to get this bed together. There's some things I'm gonna keep in this bed, and some things is gonna go. This little box, yeah, I'm gonna get it all cleaned up. And I'm gonna spray paint her again. I spray painted her maybe about 2 or 3 years ago, so I have my paint and I'm gonna spray paint it again. But I did get my little Katrina brick bed together, but I want to share something with you all because this is what I have all in her, y'all. Y'all see that? So to Chris and Cheryl, thank you, baby. Thank you. Yeah, yo. The order is here, baby. It's here. Yeah. So let me share with you all what I ordered from Baker Creek. Now, some things was... listen, I'll tell you. But anyway, let's start with this one right here. This, y'all. This is a mistake. I didn't order this. And I do not want it. No. I don't want anything that says serpent. It got to go. I don't want it, y'all. So I'm going to give that away to anybody who wants it because I don't want that. I don't want that. No. But I purchased some more artichoke seeds for my buddies. Yeah, for the men that we're gonna be growing some artichokes, y'all. That's what we're gonna be growing. I purchased this corn, which I think is gorgeous. Y'all know it's purple now. It's purple. I'm going to drop these seeds, y'all. We're gonna see what this thing is, what it is. And some beans. Yep. And more beans. Oh, yeah, because I like these beans. Those beans are really good. I purchased some peppers. I purchased this pepper. I didn't want any of the little peppers. No, I don't want to fight with no little peppers. So this is the King of the North. I'm going to grow it in the South. Yeah. Bull nose. Whoa. They should be really nice and big. I grew some of those before. This is some New Zealand spinach. Yeah, we're going to grow it. Last season, I dropped this, y'all. Matter of fact, Food by Faith also dropped this. Now, I think she did get the plant, but I did not. So I'm going to do it again. It is the strawberry spinach. I want it. And I wanted it so bad until, boom, I got two. Just in case. This. Now, I share with you all, wait a minute. I share with you all this. And this is a artichoke. This is the artichoke cousin that is the cardone. This is the cardone, right? So with the cardone, it will make flowers just like the artichoke, but you don't eat the flowers. You eat this, which is the stalk that looks like a celery, but she get just as big, just as wide as a artichoke. And matter of fact, I got my cardones and artichoke mixed up at one point because they look just alike. But yeah, cardones and artichokes. First cousins, y'all. Who knew? And the Greek mountain tea. Now, I done forgot her name. Good Lord. I'm going to put her name right here, y'all. I'm going to put her name right here. She gifted me this mint. And I have some growing right now. But I did purchase this one. And matter of fact, wait a minute now. Y'all see it? I got two. I got just one of my favorite zinnias in the whole world, and that is a cactus zinnia, because I love them. They're beautiful. I got some Colorado. I didn't know that. Some yarrow. I just wanted some yarrow that was different colors, and there she is. I love it. I got some black velvet nasturtium. Good looking stuff. And of course, I gotta have it in my life. The kohlrabi, y'all. And yeah, I seen a lot of advertisement about this cabbage. I got her. And of course, the purple beauty bell pepper. I have some more beans. These are the rattlesnake pole beans. I don't know about that either, but we'll see, y'all. I grew this last season and I love them, and I'm gonna do it again. Yeah. And the Cherokee purple tomato. Yeah. Brown sugar, baby. Ooh, yo. I couldn't pass her up. I couldn't. Yeah, I love it. And of course, the calaboose. Yeah. Now they gave me a lot of free seeds, right? So this is one. It's some carrots, which is cool. I can always enjoy some carrots. This is some kind of advertisement going on, but you know. Yeah, that Marlowe. Some basil. I love basil. And of course, some lettuce. And that is, oh, there's another thing. So this I purchased from Rosie's, y'all. So I'm trying to think of her name. She asked me for Creole tomato seeds. Oh, I can't think of her name. Jesus. Baby, I'm gonna try to put your name up here, but you know who you are. You know who you are. She always asks me for Creole tomato seeds, and I told her as soon as they get them, I will share them. But baby, please, I hope you see this video, okay? But this is the address to Rosie. Well, this is not Rosie. Yeah, this is Rosie's. This is from Rosie's. But anyway, I went there today, and I bought 2, so I make sure I have enough to share, okay? Also, I'm going to share with you all my trip in Rosie's. Here we go. That's a peach. Jody and I is at Rosie's. Apples, y'all. I'm not fighting with an apple. They don't have no fig trees here. Well, I haven't seen any. This is an olive tree. Yeah. Yep. It's an olive. 29. I don't need an olive tree though. Peaches and plums. Georgia peach. Belle of Georgia. Oh, here's some figs. Here's a Cadota. She's 39. This, brown turkey. Who are you, baby? LSU purple. There's another purple, another purple. Look at the Black Mission, Jody. Black Mission. I don't need her though. And who is this? She lost her tag. Oh, here she is right here. Let's see. A brown turkey. Nah. No. Muscadine grapes. And the citrus. Citrus are more expensive. And they all are blooming. Yeah, they all are blooming. Look at the bees. Sassoon. That's what that is. Wow. Look at that. All of them up there. Look at the bees, too. Yeah. You ready to run?
Yeah, Mom.
All right, let's go inside, y'all. Why?
I didn't know this was good.
Really? Chicory. Rosemary. What else they have? Oh, that vine sorrel. No, no, no. I grew it. I don't want it. And they have chives. Look at this. That is so cute, but I don't want it. I don't want it. They have all kinds of herbs. Apple mint, lime mint, peppermint, pineapple mint, chocolate mint, lavender mint, orange mint, spearmint. They got it going on, huh? Yeah. They have parsley. Sage. You name it. Pineapple sage. Tricolor sage. Pineapple sage. Yeah. Lemon thyme. Creeping thyme.
God.
Oregano hot and spicy. Ooh. I bet you Joseph would like that. Yeah. Oh, they got banana trees. They got bananas. They got the dwarf cabbage banana for $24. Jody.
That's nice.
Oof. That is. This is the Chiquita. Chiquita banana, and I'm here to say.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the banana
Gotcha.
that you buy in a store.
I gotcha.
Yeah. That's a pomegranate. What is that? A papaya. It's a papaya, baby.
This one a passion fruit.
Yeah. Miracle fruit.
Well, that's the one that you put it in your mouth or something.
Yes.
And it takes the
Yeah,
sour
and they
whatever.
$49 for these miracle fruits.
It must be some kind of miracle, huh?
They are. They are. They are. But I tried these passion fruits here. Not for me. I'm gonna say like Keith say, I'm not the target. I'm not the target audience for that one. No. So this is my Brussels sprouts, and what I've been doing is cutting the leaves from the bottom. Now listen, you can pull those leaves off, but if you pull the leaves off and you pull the little part where the Brussels comes from, then you're gonna lose that Brussels sprout there, okay? So what you wanna do is cut it. Now, when your Brussels sprout get as tall as you want it to get, and this one is pretty tall, you come up here and you take out this head. Now let me show you what it looks like. Let me get deep in there so you can see it. It's just like a little cap in there, just a little top, right? And you just take it out. It's like topping your peppers. So let me take it out. And it's easy because I'm not going to cut it. I'm going to just take it out. Just like that. Come on, baby. Let me get one leaf to let go. Okay, there you go. So there we go. And this is going with this because I'm going to make a stir fry with that, y'all. So you just take this top off. And what it's going to do now, it is going to put all this energy into making your Brussels sprouts. Your plant is not going to get taller, it's going to get bushier. And these babies are going to begin to grow really big. And that's how you grow your Brussels sprouts. Take off those bottom leaves and come up here and pop off her head so she could grow wider. And all the energy will go into these babies. Let's go. Let's go, girl. So I made it back home and now I'm in my garden. Family, when my day is hectic and so many things is going on, you know, my world is moving fast. There's nothing like me coming out in my garden just to slow it down, baby. Just to slow it down. To be away from everyone and just to be in my own world. There's nothing like it, family. There's nothing like it. So on yesterday, I received my onions in the mail from my niece and nephew, Chris and Cheryl from Back to Our Roots Homestead. And I tell you, it couldn't have come at the best time, the best time. I needed this time just to relax and just to get away from people. I wanted to be away from people. And now I can drop my onions. I'm so excited about them. And there's nothing like this for me. Yeah, there they are, family. They're all done. I'm excited about them. And I thank my niece and nephew very much. But growing out the box, your little bed, this little gift, man, these onions was made for this raised bed. It was made for it. Thank you. I thank you. So we have a beautiful day, family. It is a beautiful day. Ben said he felt like a hibernating bear in his house. He was so excited just to get out here and cut the lawn. Just cut some grass, y'all. And so him and I sat out here. Well, I sat and watched him. But he have the garden looking so good, so fresh. It looks wonderful, and it makes him happy. It makes me happy too. So he was just enjoying his day also. He needed the garden on yesterday as much as I did because of all the rain we had and the cold weather we had. You know, being inside is just not our thing. So he was excited. I didn't know he was in the garden, but there he is. You never know how much you need something until it is unavailable to you. Yeah. But it was a beautiful day. And it was warm. Thank God for the warm. I don't need that cold weather, y'all. But I seen a lot of people in New Orleans, they were wet, but my ground is dry, y'all.